Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram organized and clutter-free, you'll love this new feature from the latest update. Today, I'll show you exactly how to mark an entire folder as read on the Telegram app for PC. This is perfect if you have multiple chats piling up with unread messages and want to clear those notifications in just a couple of clicks. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Telegram app open on your PC. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see all your chat folders neatly listed. These could be groups, channels, personal chats, or any custom folders you've set up. Now, find the folder that has those unread message counts you want to clear. Simply move your mouse over to that folder in the left menu. Right-click on the folder's name. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, look for the option that says Mark as Read. Click on it. Instantly, Telegram will mark every chat inside that folder as read, and the unread message counter will disappear. No more red dots or notification numbers, just a clean, organized chat list. This feature is especially helpful if you're part of busy group chats, follow lots of channels, or use folders to separate work and personal conversations. Instead of opening each chat one by one, you can now tidy up your entire folder in seconds. If you ever want to repeat this process, just follow the same steps. Open Telegram, right-click the folder, and choose Mark as Read. It's that simple. With this update, managing your messages on Telegram desktop has never been easier. Stay productive, keep your chats organized, and enjoy a distraction-free messaging experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips for making the most out of Telegram's latest features.